again. Are you?
Fiji PNG Business Councils have naturally been established to promote trade and investment between our countries and enhance the friendship and understanding that already exists between our two countries and our respective business communities. But aside from generating business links, these councils are also the conduit between business and government. They're giving individual businesses a collective voice to express their concerns and provide an input into government decision making. So they're an important component of our overall effort to encourage trade, encourage investment and technical and economic cooperation between Fiji and Papua New Guinea. Business clearly is working in partnership with government. We share the same commitment to expanding that relationship. The Fijian government values the role of these business councils in providing a platform for the exchange of ideas and contributing those ideas to the national policy debate. Business is a key component in assisting government to get our policy settings right. We all see trade and investment as the key generator of development and the means to provide our peoples with adequate and sustainable livelihoods. As I keep stressing, the future isn't just about the health of individual economies. We are working towards a fully integrated regional economy that will improve the lives of every Melanesian and enhance the status of our region in the global economy. To achieve that, we need to be smarter. We need to be more united and seize the opportunities when they present themselves. We need to think outside the box, to develop new strategies that suit our particular circumstances rather than just accept things as they are and have always been.